All right, guys, we got a 2021 Silverado that has got a whine when you start it up. Whenever I pulled it up here in the driveway, it was really bad. You could hear it just as plain as day. The more you revved it up, the more you could hear that whine. Let me see if I can get you to hear this. It sounds like either a power steering pump, which this truck does not have, so it can't be that because this has got electric power steering, or alternator whine. I don't know if you can hear that. It does sound like it's coming from the engine. It does get higher or faster of a whine when you rev the engine up. I did load the alternator up with my load tester. I hooked it to the battery, loaded it up. The whine did not change at all. So that kind of tells me the alternator shouldn't be the problem. Normally, when you really start loading the alternator up and it's really working, that's usually when you'll hear the alternator whine. But it didn't change at all. The tester was showing like 300 amps that it was pulling from the battery, which means the alternator would have been putting 100% out, or should have been, and it didn't change the whine at all. So there's an idler pulley right here. So I'm going to see if I can hear it using this screwdriver, and we're going to go from there. Now I'm going to see if you can even get a shot. I'm going to come down right on the back. Well, actually, I'll do it right on that nut. I'm right on the bolt of the idler. Wow, and that's loud. I don't know. You know what? I've got an idea. I don't know if this is going to work. I want you to hear this. And again, I just took my long Phillips screwdriver, put my ear right up to the end of that, and there's no doubt that idler pulley is the problem. But I'm going to try to rig something up to where you'll be able to hear this. All right, guys, so I've taken a funnel and I've stuck it over the end of my screwdriver. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but where's the mic at? I'm not sure. I'll do both ends. So I'm just going to go right straight down here again. Whoa. I'm going to do that end of the phone and that end. Hopefully you're hearing that, because I can hear it from here. Anyway, and let me show you the difference between, if you're able to hear that, I'm just going to pull off of the bolt. Now I'm going to touch the bolt, pull off, touch. Anyway, this truck's got about 110,000 miles. I'm going to tell him that we need a Serpentine belt and a new idler pulley. And that should fix that whine. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started putting this belt and idler pulley on. First thing is you got to get this plenum off. So let's loosen this clamp off. There's another clamp down here somewhere. There's a hose over here. And it should give us all the access we need. Now there's two belts on this vehicle. Let me get you some light here. You've got a main drive belt, which is this one, and then you've got an accessory belt down there for the AC compressor. There is no tensioner. You have to cut this belt off, so make sure that you have the right belt. That's what I hate about these stretch belts. if you cut it off and you have the wrong belt, you're stranded. But this is the idler that we got to replace right here. So let me get something to cut this belt off, and then show you how we're going to get it put back on. Alright guys, so I'm just going to take a blade, cut this old belt off. Now, this idler rolls and feels fine, but it sure was noisy. Little retainer right here. I don't know if the new one, hold on, let's take a look at the new one. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to put this idler pulley on. This is a GM part. There's the part number. This is on a 2020 Silverado. Does come with a bolt, the whole assembly. So this one, this original one that I just took off is plastic. The new one is metal. Just, you know, in case you want to know that. Make sure she spins. Now for the fun part, which is getting the belt on. Since there's no tensioner, this is a stretch on belt. So let me get the belt routed and in position, and then I'll turn the camera back on. Alright guys, so I've got the belt started, got it around pretty much all the pulleys. You can see down there I've got a special tool. Let me zoom in for you. Holding the belt on, I'm going to manually reach down there with a ratchet and a socket and spin the crank clockwise and put this belt on. This is a stretch to fit belt. There is no tensioner, and I think it was a piss poor design myself. Anyway, let me get down there. The socket I'm using is a 24 millimeter on the crank bolt. There it is. That's the tool, in case you want to order one, about 10 bucks. Anyway, the belt is now on along with the idler pulley. Just got to put the plenum back on and call this done. All right, start it up, make sure we don't hear no whine. So far, so good. Yeah. Let me take a listen down there. Oh, that's night and day difference. Can't mount the camera. Okay, so I got my funnel back on it. I'm going to put it right down here on that bolt. Cannot hear it. Just touch that bolt right there. Cannot hear it at all. Anyway, idler pulley for a whine on a 2020 Silverado and new belt. You guys take care.